How to unarchive story on Instagram before 24 hours. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then in your home feed, press on your story at the top left corner of your screen. Let's start from archiving the story. Click on the story, click on three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you will find archive, press on archive. After you've archived your story, go to your profile at the bottom right and click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, here you'll find all these options. Click on archive. Here you'll find all your stories archived. Press on the story you just archived and click on three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen, which is more. And here you won't find any option to unarchive. So what you need to do is press on save photo, which is the second option. Then go to the home feed and click on your story and then add the saved picture to your story. If there is any song, you can add the song as well and press on your story. And this is how to unarchive story on Instagram before 24 hours. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.